Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have this equation and let's try to solve it. The first thing that you must do is to take natural log in both sides of our equation. Just notice something. If we have natural log of a to the power b, this is just b ln a. So using this, we'll have x ln 1 equals to ln 2. In order to get x, we have to divide both sides by ln 1. Just notice something. Ln 1 is just 0, which means there is no real solution to this equation. But there is a complex solution, and we're gonna find it. Just notice something. We will use this formula which say I theta equals to cos theta plus I sine theta. This is called Euler's formula, and we're gonna use it. Okay, just notice something. Because we have x ln 2 and ln 1 in complex plane where we have real and imaginary axis, 1 will be somewhere here. The next thing that we have to do is to, in order to write this in polar form, the next thing that we must do is to locate the angle, locate the distance, which is r equals 1 because we have 1. And the second thing, we have to measure the angle, which is still 0 because it's in the real axis. So which means this will be ln 2 ln e, and then we will have 0 as our angle, so here is 0, 0. But if we cancel ln and e, we will still get 0 divided by 0, which is wrong. It turns out that 0 is not only the angle, because if you rotate counterclockwise, you will end up getting 2 pi, which means 2 pi is the another angle. If you rotate again, you end up getting 4 pi, which means 4 pi is the angle. And if you rotate again, you end up getting 6 pi, which means 6 pi is also angle. So we go from 0 to pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi until, so we can write this in a general form. So e to the power I 2k pi, where k is element of integer. So now ln and e can cancel each other. 2k pi. Okay, 2k pi I forget I. Yeah, so just notice something. 1 over I is not in the simplest form, so we have to change it. In order to do that, we'll say 1 over I times conjugate of I divided by conjugate of I. Therefore, I squared is just -1. So -1 times negative is just 1 divided by negative I, which is just I. So this is our solution, but under one condition, where k cannot be equal to 0 and k is element of integer. So this is our solution.